Hey, welcome back to Tech with Ratan, and this is Ratan. Over the last few days, you've been joining the waitlist of my 8-week backend developer program. So, finally, today I just want to clearly explain what it is, who is it for, and how you can join. So, if you already know some Python programming and you have tried learning the backend development, you probably know this feeling. You feel like, what should I do first? How should APIs be designed? How do real projects look like? And most importantly, how will I deploy this application on production? So this program is built exactly to fix this gap. This is a proved program and my previous batch is extremely happy with this program, and the value they got is far more than what they paid for this program. You can even connect with them or talk to them before you join this program. So anyway, in the live class, we'll focus a lot on how to think like a software developer, how to design the APIs properly, how to build the logics for your project, and how things are done in the industry. All the classes will be live. There will be 16 live sessions, 8 weeks on Saturdays and Sundays. Each session will be around 2 hours, 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. on Zoom app. You'll also get session recordings if you could not join live for any reasons. You'll also get the assignments and you can ask me any questions live. So who should join this program? If you want to seriously move into the backend development, this program is for you. And if you want structured guidance instead of the random tutorials, this program is definitely for you. The live classes will be starting on 24th Jan 2026. The enrollment is now open. You can find all the details including the curriculum and the pricing on the enrollment page. Just go to techwithratan.com and click on this live classes. Also, the link is in the description. So if you seriously want to become a backend developer, especially with the Django and DRF, you should definitely not miss this program. And one more thing, since this is a live program with the real interactions, I'm keeping the batch size limited. So if you think this program is right for you, just don't wait too long. The enrollment will be closed once the seats are filled. So for more details, you can click the link in the description. I'll see you live.